Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's setup. So, what we've identified is a nice setup on Wall Street or the US 30 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is a Gartley setup with an ABCD anchor. So, let me just start drawing it out for you so you can see exactly how I do it. So, first of all, we're looking for, you need to really go and study the other videos to get an idea if you're brand new to this, what we are looking for here. But we're looking for segments of price that repeat itself. So first of all, we have the ABCD structure here. So we've got the A, have the A, the B, the C, the D. Now, with every Gartley pattern, you have to have an anchor point, which is the X. So let me just draw the wings in place. So these are the wings of the pattern in place. Now let me change the color because it has to be. With charts, you've got to just do it your way. Make everything look nice. Let's join up all the ratios so we can really point out where price crept to. 1 secondo. Now let's do some basic measurements. So the Fibonacci, ultimately point D has to come in at the 61 or 78.6% retracement of X to A. So what we can see at the minute, that's the case. Tick. Now let me label that up, 61.8. And what we have here on this particular ratio where B comes in relation to XA, let's measure it. So B comes in at the 38.2% retracement. So let's just amend that. 38.2%. Whoops, 38.2. And this extension here should be a 127 using a bit of experience. 161.8. So that's cool. We have all the ratios in place. 161.8. And then lastly, there's this top ratio where point C comes in relation to A to B. So you can see it's quite a mechanical approach to trading. All these things have to be ratified and verified. That to me looks like a 61.8. So I'm just going to copy that, stick it there. Now, the last thing to do is to draw the where D completed, which was there. What this suggests is AB equals CD 60% of the time. So this length AB will equal CD 60% of the time. The other 40%, this CD leg will be a extension of AB. And in this instance, it looks like it could be a 127. Let's check. It is a 127. Can you see where this is coming in pretty much bang on there? So we've got a mix of all sorts here in terms of where the D point sits, but we do expect higher prices. We expect a minimum of BC to happen again to here. And that, ladies and gents, is a Gartley buy pattern. Thanks for watching and all the best. Thank you.